Hey guys, so today I'm back with another video to teach you about the gender in Telugu. So let's get into our video to know much more about it. But before that, we need to know a few terminologies or few terms describing Nannaya Garu. So the study of Telugu grammar is known as Vyakaranam. The first treatise on Telugu grammar is known as Andhra Sapta Chintamani. Nannaya Garu is considered the first poet, which means he is known as Adi Kavi, and the translator in the 11th century AD. Initially, there was no grammatical work in Telugu. Nannaya, as I said, is known as Adi Kavi in the recognition of his literary works. He holds the titles of Shabda Sasanadu and Vagana Sasanadu, which means the lawgiver of language, after his Telugu grammar work in Andhra Sabda Chintamani. Nannaya Garu, along with two other poets, Tikkana and Yerra Pragada, together have translated the Mahabharata from Sanskrit to Telugu, which is known as Andrikarana of Mahabharata. Nannaya is known as the first of Kavitrayam. Kavitrayam is an expression of the three poets, one being or the first being Nannaya, and the other two are Tikkana and Yerra Prakatagaru. In the 19th century, Chinnayasuri wrote a simplified work on the Telugu grammar called Bala Vyakaranam, borrowing the concepts and ideas from the Nannaya in Telugu. So today, let's learn about gender, which is Lingamu in Telugu. Telugu has three genders, that is Puru Lingam, Stri Lingam, Napunsaka Lingam, which are Puru Lingam is masculine gender, Stri Lingam is feminine gender, Napunsaka Lingam is neuter gender. Usually, the suffix du will be added to each word, indicating that it belongs to the masculine gender or Purulingam, and the suffix raalu is added to the end of the word, indicating that it belongs to a feminine gender or Strilingam, or the suffix amu or uvu, either of it will be added to the end of the word, indicating that it belongs to the neuter gender, that is Napunsaka Lingam. Now let's go into detail, seeing relevant examples so as to correlate. First one, Purulingam or masculine. The examples are Atadu, ATADU, Atadu. See, the suffix du is added, which indicates Atadu is a male person, Buddhimantudu. He's a male person having a good mindset. Nayakudu, a male leader. Nattakudu, a male dancer. Bhaktudu, a male devotee. Manavadu, grandson. Now let's see about Strilingam or the feminine gender. Here the suffix raalu need not always exist. There are some exceptions. In that, this is an exception. Ame, A-A-M-E, Ame, which means a female person. Buddhimanturalu, which means a female who has a good mindset. Nayakuralu, a female leader. Nartakuralu, female dancer. Bhakturalu, a female devotee. Manavaralu, granddaughter. Now let's see about the Napunsakalingam, that is neuter gender. Here, as I initially told you, the suffix amu or uvu exists. Chitrapatamu, which means a photo frame. Akasamu, which means sky. Vimanamu, an aeroplane. Gruhamu, a house. Vanamu, a forest. Varshamu, rain. So in the neuter gender, it also refers to animals, birds, and nature. Vahanamu, which means a vehicle. Manchamu, a bed. Vayuvu, which means air or gas. Jantuvu, an animal. Vastuvu, which means a thing. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you understood what a gender is and what are the three classifications in a gender with suitable examples. So thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe my channel, learn and imbibe. And also, please revise and go through the video. You all know, right? Practice makes you perfect.